Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen French toast sticks in the air fryer. So we're cooking them straight from frozen. Let's open the air fryer and put the frozen French toast sticks in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these French toast sticks. Perfectly cooked. They look amazing. Now let me take them out. So see, perfectly crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Looks so tasty. I'm so excited about trying them. Now let's try it. So good. You will love making these in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!